So when I saw this story on social media, I had to actually read it, and it says, I write this with the intention to probably save a woman from feeling what I'm feeling. I've been with this guy for 6 years. He's the gangster type, but if you really get to know him, he's a teddy bear. One evening last week, Thursday to be exact, I didn't feel well at work, so my boss sent me home. I was gonna call my boyfriend and tell him to get ready so we could get groceries, but I didn't bother. I got the groceries myself and headed home. When I got home, I headed straight to the kitchen to put down the bags. As I stepped in the kitchen, I heard sex noises coming from our bedroom. Mind you, our bedroom is above our kitchen. I know my boyfriend's sex noises. I knew it was him. Of course, I started to cry, but I climbed the stairs slowly and gently leaned on the bedroom door. Wow. I listened for about 3 minutes and then I stormed in. Jesus Christ, have mercy. My boyfriend was wearing underwear on his knee in front of his friend. The friend was fully naked. I couldn't believe my eyes. My jaw dropped. I screamed out crying. The friend grabbed whatever he grabbed and he ran. My boyfriend stood there looking at me. Literally grabbed my head and screamed out. My boyfriend was walking towards me to hug me, I guess, but I stepped back. I don't know how I found the strength to walk out that house. He chased after me. No tell nobody, babes me sorry, where you go? I left the house and I haven't spoken to him since. It's the grace of God driving to my mother's house crying. I don't know how me never crash. I just want to encourage ladies to take the time to study boyfriends. I'm broken right now and I can't even eat. I can't sleep. I keep asking myself, what did I do wrong? And she said, if there are any prayer warriors that follows, please keep her in your prayers. So what would you do if you found your boyfriend in a compromising position with a so-called friend? No, that's crazy. I'm all here for people being with who they want to be with. I actually really don't care. But when you are out here deceiving women, it's kind of hard for me to support you. I know that there's a lot of people that are bisexual now, and there are women out there that date bisexual men that don't have a problem if they sleep with men or women, and some people like being in polyamorous relationship and all of that. So if you are somebody like that, you can definitely find someone that's up your alley, but don't be in a relationship and pretend that you're something that you're not. A lot of these times too, women disregard the red flags because the boy nice and him skin clean and him all of that. So a lot of times women are to be blamed because men are deceitful. Okay, some are, especially when this is the lifestyle they choose to keep. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.